Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze XAU USD gold. This I am in for our chart. You can see the trend line breakout below, and again you can see the below dominant break buy. I am in for our chart. Below bearish candle break with bullish candles. Buy candles, there's a dominant break by, we call this. Okay, so let's mark the break candle, and we can use Fibonacci tool for our make our levels. Okay, so we use Fibonacci for take profit targets. The 1.618 target is already achieved. Okay, now we can see the next target, 2.618 target is will be the achieve target in next week. Okay, let's see the target area. You can see the target area 1734, like that. Second target will be the next week achievement for gold XAU USD. Okay, let's mark our, let's move the 1 hour chart, and we can mark our buy zones. Price will be retracement and buy again. That's our buy zone in trend line, retracement to the trend line again, and next price we create higher high. Price retracement this trend line and create higher high. That's our next week